Google has recently and officially presented the 8th Pixel smartphone very quietly because it did not hold a special launch event, so allow me to now introduce you to the detailed specifications of this device and its price range. Remember that it is a device aimed at the mid-range, so do not expect top-of-the-line specifications. This device features Google's G Tensor processor, which is highly focused on artificial intelligence like all Pixel devices, so we could be talking about the first artificial intelligence device for the mid-range. It integrates interesting features like Best Take, which allows you to change your friends' faces so everyone looks their best. It also has the Magic Editor that lets you move objects around, change their size, or even remove objects from your photos to enhance them. And finally, it also has the Audio Magic Eraser that allows you to easily remove noise from your videos with just a simple button. So in terms of software, those are its main features where it stands out with artificial intelligence. But let me tell you that the design of this device follows the line of all Pixels with a metal strip on the back to place the cameras, and it is available in 4 different colors: blue, green, cream, and black. The screen, named by Google as Actua Display, measures 6 1-inch diagonally and features full HD resolution. They claim it is 40% brighter than the previous generation, with a 20:9 aspect ratio and a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz. It is additionally protected by Gorilla Glass 3, which, from my perspective, is disappointing considering that we are not discussing an entry-level device, so we would have preferred to see at the very least Gorilla Glass 5. Fortunately, it has water resistance with an IP rating, also featuring a finish on the rear cover to prevent fingerprints from being left behind. Its frame will be entirely made of aluminum, in this case recycled aluminum. The rear cover is not made of glass but of plastic, and in this case, once again, recycled plastic. As for the front camera, we will have 13 megapixels with f aperture, fixed focus 1, and a 96.5 degree field of view, while on the back, there is a 64 megapixel main camera and a 13 megapixel ultra-wide camera, both with f apertures. It does not have any specialized zoom camera, but through artificial intelligence, it is said to greatly improve the sharpness of the maximum 8x digital zoom, so it is not expected to be something spectacular. Fortunately, it does integrate optical and digital stabilization in the main camera and also offers video recording capabilities in 4K at 60 frames per second on both the rear and front cameras. It incorporates stereo sound, and the sub-battery has a capacity of 4,492 mAh, essentially 4,500, with support for rapid charging. However, it is important to note that the charger is not included in the package. Despite the specifications indicating rapid charging, it actually provides an 18-watt charge, which in my opinion cannot be considered particularly fast, especially considering the price range. The inclusion of Gorilla Glass 3 suggests that it is a device aimed at the entry-level market. It also incorporates wireless charging, and this is a feature that undoubtedly enhances it to truly resemble a high-end mid-range device in terms of functionality and design. It additionally integrates 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, so in this aspect it will provide us with a very good speed. We will find different versions with either 128 GB or 256 GB of UFS 3.1 storage capacity. It has a weight of 188 grams and a thickness of 8.9 millimeters. As you can see, we are referring to a device that has the potential to be competitive in certain aspects but may lack in others. Thus, the success of sales for this device will be contingent upon the users. Speaking of which, its price is $499 for the US. Remember that this price does not include taxes, but above all, remember that the prices here are not the same as those over there.